here. Hi, Mia. Good morning, Mia. Good morning, sweet pea. Hi. Let's go see what Papa's up to. Let's go see. The fava is already flowering. The flava bean. It's already flowering. It looks really healthy. So we have found Andre up in the garden, of course, and he's been digging this morning. There he is, just taking a little bit of a breather. And all these tree trunks that are here, he's digging them out. Look at the hole he's digged this far. He's digging them out to try to see if he can get all these tree stumps out, so that way we could have flat all the way across and be able to utilize this part of the garden. Good job, honey. And the sun is out today and it's a beautiful day. All right, hon, I'm going to let you get to work. I'm going to go down and do some garlic. I'm going down to start my garlic. I've got quite a bit of garlic. Not any that we have harvested, but some that I have bought. And I'm going to go ahead and depeel it. And then I'm going to mince everything up and add a little bit of salt. And I'm going to freeze it so that when I need to use it, I have it. But right now I'm going to go down and make Andre and myself a coffee. And then we'll come back. It's a beautiful day today. The clouds are trying to, the sun is trying to peek through the clouds. And there it is right there. Beautiful day here today in the Azores, in São Miguel, in our backyard, living the simple life. Here I am in the kitchen. Just came down from where Andre's at. I'm going to make us some coffee, some espresso. There's the ghee butter that Andre has made. There's an upcoming video on how he makes his ghee butter, how he purifies his butter. But let's go to the coffee. So first I'll start with this. All right, so Mia and Andre taking a break, and we're going to go ahead and have some coffee. Thank you. So would you. Mmm, good coffee. Back to work. All right, so this is what I'm going to need for the garlic. A plate to put the skins in, the garlic, the salt, and a container to put the garlic in. And we'll show you that process. Let's get started. All right, so I'm going to start the garlic. And I will do like so. Grab a garlic head and just take out all the cloves, like so. I will continue on this process and then come back and show you when I have them all taken apart. Okay, so here we go. Just take all the peel out, like so. I'm just going to put them on this plate and set them here for now. And I'm going to continue on this step. Until they're all done, and then I'll come back and show you once I have them all completed. All right, so here's the garlic that has been peeled. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces and put it in this little thing that I have, like so. And move that down here so it gives me a bit more room to maneuver this. And what I'm going to be doing is putting all the garlic in here. I'm going to be adding salt, pink Himalayan salt. You could use sea salt as well, but this is what I have at home and this is what I've decided to use. I'm just going to go ahead and cut that into small pieces. All right, so I think I have enough in there. I put about that much in there. So what I'm going to do right now is add the salt to the garlic, about a teaspoon of salt, like so. And then I'm just going to go ahead. So there's the salt, there's the garlic. I'm just going to go ahead and mix this all together. So here is the garlic. Once I have put it all together, it looks like this. And then once I'm done and that's all combined together, I just move that. I get the container that I'm going to be putting it in and just put it into the container. Like so. And then you can continue the process with the other garlic, which is right here. And then you will go ahead and freeze it. So I'm going to continue on this step and then I'll show you once I'm all back on. And this is the finished product once it gets to this consistency, which is pretty minced up. There you go. I'm just going to mince it a little bit more. Take out the remaining here. And then scoop it up and put it into my container. There's the rest that I've done this far. like so. Now I like to put salt in it just because it's ready prepared and seasoned for when I want to use it. So my next step, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be freezing the garlic, and as I need, on a need basis, I will go ahead and take out the whole container and use the garlic. I find that this is a very good way of preserving my garlic and it doesn't go bad. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time. And if you like the content, please subscribe, comment, like, and hit the little bell so you can get my notifications as to when I have a new video that's coming out. Hope you enjoy the video, and this is our lives in the Azores, our simple lives in the Azores.